If you want to make more money and grow from 100,000 to 200,000 or 300,000 GCI, the most important thing you do is consistently every week delegate $20 an hour assistant work off your plate to somebody so you can do more $100 an hour unique talent work. This is Steve Cantor of Best Agent Business, and this is the number one thing that holds agents back at 100,000. To go from 100,000 to 150,000 as an example, imagine if you simply shift 10 hours a week of work and stop doing $20 an hour work, start doing $100 an hour sales activities such as calling or meeting with more people or listing appointments or buyers, and you make $80 more per hour. Times 10 hours in the week, 850 weeks, $40,000. Just shifting that 10 hours will make you $40,000 extra easily. If you want to grow from 150,000 to 300,000, you're shifting 10 hours and stopping doing $50 an hour work and doing more $200 an hour work, such as calling and sellers and listing appointments. That should raise your GCI plus 75,000 plus increased revenue because you're going to delegate buyers to showing agents. So, stop being the assistant. Okay, just stop it. Stop it now. Stop being the assistant. Delegate everything, all things, listing management, closing management, marketing, accounting, database, leads, etc., and get it off your plate. Either go with a virtual assistant such as us, Best Agent Business, or an in-house assistant, or a combination. If you need some help, call Steve Cantor now at 202-297-2393 of Best Agent Business, or forward this to an agent who you know desperately needs our services. Thanks. Bye-bye.